Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming what you still control, your Apple ID email and any trusted devices. Once done, check if you have a recovery key or device serial number, these speed verification. Next, find proof of purchase. Make a photo of the receipt and note the device serial/MA. If you have no trusted number, open Icloud. Apple. Calm now and attempt sign-in. Make sure to choose account recovery if you can't receive codes, and keep times noted for later steps. You'll now start the formal account recovery flow. From Icloud, Apple. Calm or settings sign-in, select can't sign in, then choose account recovery, provide the alternate email and any device details. Give past passwords, device serial numbers, and purchase info. Apple uses these to validate you. Once submitted, you'll get a confirmation with an estimated wait time. Write it down. While you wait, prepare supporting documents, ID, receipt, carrier account info, because Apple support may request them to finish verification. When Apple approves recovery, follow the emailed link or the instructions given. You'll set a new verification phone and password. Once you regain access, immediately add a trusted number, enable two-factor authentication, and record a recovery key or backup contact. If you don't receive approval or the wait expires, contact Apple support directly. Have your ID and proof of purchase ready. One key troubleshooting tip: if your carrier can reassign your old number, reclaim it first. That often shortens verification drastically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.